Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably staring at that frustrating E01 error code on your GE dryer from 2025, wondering why your laundry day just hit a snag. Don't worry. I'm here to break it all down for you in a simple, step-by-step way. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is the E01 error code? In GE dryers, especially the 2025 models, E01 typically signals a problem with the control panel or a stuck button. It could mean there's an issue with the user interface, like a key that's jammed, or even a communication glitch between the control board and other components. This error isn't uncommon and often stems from everyday wear and tear or a simple fixable glitch. Now, before you call in the pros, let's try some troubleshooting at home. Start by unplugging your dryer from the wall outlet and leaving it off for at least 5 minutes. This gives the system a chance to reset. Once it's plugged back in, check the control panel for any buttons that might be stuck. Gently press each one to see if they're responsive. If that doesn't work, run a quick test cycle without any clothes to isolate if the problem persists. If the error keeps popping up, it might be time to dig a little deeper. Inspect the wiring connections behind the panel for any loose wires, but remember to always prioritize safety. Turn off the power first. For more advanced users, you could try resetting the control board by holding down the power button for 10 seconds while the dryer is off. However, if you're not comfortable with that, or if these steps don't resolve the issue, it's best to contact a certified technician. They can diagnose if it's a faulty control board or something more serious. In summary, the E01 error is usually manageable with a few basic checks, but it could indicate a bigger problem if ignored. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance tips. See you next time. Happy drying.